In front of me is Motorola Edge 60 Fusion, and today I would like to show you how you can change or customize your keyboard. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on this icon of a color palette at the top of it. Now select any of those themes by clicking on a perfect one. Manage key borders thanks to this switcher and hit apply. If you want to customize it though, go back to the same settings and this time use this plus under my themes. Now click on a photo you wish to apply as your new keyboard's background. Pinch it to scale, drag it to move and hit next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Hit done. Manage key borders and choose apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!